Oh my. What a mess. Who turned the living room into a playground?
It got messy while we were playing Mom.
We'll clean all the mess together.
All right. Today we are helping each other at home. Let's start with cleaning. Lily, wipe the table properly.
Sure, Mom. Should I use the wet cloth or dry one?
First wet, then dry.
I will sweep the floor.
Look, I'm picking up all the toys.
Achoo! So much dust here.
That's why we clean, dear.
Mom, can I spray air freshener now?
Yes, but just a little.
Now our living room is all clean.
Yes. Let's move to the laundry, it's washing time.
This basket is so heavy.
Let me help you carry it.
Thank you both.
I found socks that don't match.
Keep them aside. We'll find their pairs later.
Mom, the machine is full.
Okay, let's add detergent and press the start button.
I'll fold the dry ones.
Me too. Let's see who folds faster.
You all are doing a wonderful job. Now I'm going to the kitchen. You kids can take a little rest.
No, Mom. We will help you.
Yeah, we'll enjoy the work together.
Lily, please rinse the vegetables.
Done. They look so fresh.
Can I cut the salad?
Be careful with the knife, okay?
I will put the plates on the table.
That's a big help.
Mom, should I stir the soup now?
Yes, but gently. Don't spill it.
The smell is so good.
Because everyone helped with love. Look how neat and tidy everything looks.
I'm tired, but it feels great to help.
Let's sit on the sofa and relax for a while.
Good idea. How about some fresh juice for everyone?
Wow.
I'll help you pour it, Mom.
Thank you.
Today we learned so many new things. Cleaning, folding, and teamwork.
Yes, and teamwork makes everything easier and more fun. Now let's drink some juice and relax.